Hey guys, today's video is to be 5 looks, 1 palette with the Sephora Pro Smoky Jewels palette. This has a lot of deep, rich jewel tones in it, and I'm just create 5 looks with it. So, hope you guys like the looks, and comment down below what's your favorite look. So first I'm going to take Storm with a fluffy brush and just place that everywhere. And you clean off the brush and take the same brush here with Capri and put that in the crease and the outer V and a little bit on the bottom too. Now I'm going to take a pencil brush and go into aquamarine and put that in my inner corner. I'm going to put on mascara, and then I'm going to put on this Wet n Wild Color Icon pencil in sky blue. And here's the finished look. Okay, so I'm going to take this brush, and then I'm going to take Fire Opal and put that in my crease and a little bit on the lower lash line. Then with that same brush, I'm going to take a mixture of woodland and garnet and put that just in my outer V a little bit on the lower lash line. Then I'm going to take a flat brush and go into Tiger Eye and put that all over the lid and in this part of the lower lash line. I'm gonna go back in with the fluffy brush and just go over everything without any extra product on it. And I'm gonna take alabaster and the same flat brush that I cleaned off. I'm gonna take that in my inner corner. Then I'm going to finish the look with Neutrogena Healthy Lengths Mascara in black brown. And here's the finished look. So I'm going to take a fluffy brush and I'm going to go into Stone and put that in my crease and my outer V. And now I'm going to take a flat brush and I'm going to go into Geode and put that all over my lid. I also took Geode into my inner corner and then I'm going to go back with the fluffy brush with no additional product and make sure there's like no harsh lines. I'm going to go back with the fluffy brush cleaned off and I'm going to go into Indigo and I'm going to put that on my lower lash line. I'm just going to go over that with a fluffy brush with no product on it and just blend it a little bit. I'm going to finish with some mascara and I'm going to put this Wet n Wild Color Icon pencil in, what was this color? like, comment, or share in my waterline. So this is the finished look. A little pop of like bluey purple on the bottom. But it's really kind of natural. I'm going to take a fluffy brush and take emerald. Take that into my crease. Yep, and I also took out my little brush, and then I'm gonna clean off this brush and then go into malchonite, this green shade. Just take that exactly, do that in the outer V and into the. I'm going to take a flat shadow brush, go into emerald again, and pack that on my outer, inner part of the eyelid. I'm going to go back with the fluffy brush and just blend it a little bit. And then I'm going to clean off the flat brush and go into citrine, pop that in the middle of my lid. Also gonna take that in my middle corner. And then I'm just pop some mascara on. And I also decided to add a green liner, which this is Maybelline Lasting Drama and Emerald. And my waterline. That's where I packed it. So this is the finished look for that. So I'm going to take a fluffy brush. I'm going to go into Ruby. I'm going to put that in my crease right here and then a little bit above right over here. I'm going to clean up the brush and take the same brush into canvas and put that in my crease and my outer V. Now I'm going to clean off the brush again and go back into Ruby and just go over that and just make sure it's there still. Then I'm going to take a flat brush and go into Soda Light and put that all over my lid. I'm going to go back with the fluffy brush and just blend out the edges. And after cleaning off the flat brush, I'm going to go into Amethyst, put that in my inner corner and on my little lash line. I'm going to go into canvas and just pull a little bit on the outside. I'm going to go and just make sure everything's blended out with the fluffy brush. Now I'm gonna pop some mascara on. So that's the finished look. Let me know which one you thought was which one was your favorite, and thanks for watching. Bye.